Okay, so we need to unplug the vacuum hose that goes to the exhaust system on the rear end. So it's right here on the side with that thing. Yeah, let's see. Okay, right there. Okay. There's a X plate at the bottom that support the that's underneath the exhaust, so we'll remove that. And then we have to remove this force screw here at the top of this plate. Okay. Remove the exhaust by removing that clamp here.
Nice. Can I play a song for dessert?
So, because the two other screws at the end of the clamp are too rusty, so we're gonna go with a safe approach.
Absolutely.
Let's go.
All right, thank you. Thank you. Have a great day.
I'm gonna bring something to support it. So that's the piece that was underneath the exhaust. Now we put a leg, put a wood leg to hold the exhaust. temporarily. Now we're going on the back to remove the rubber that holds the exhaust. Okay, so the exhaust brake right here. It's sad, but in the same time it means it was overdue. So that is going to need to be replaced or fixed. The way we remove these is very easy. These are rubbers like that with pins. This one was very difficult to remove, so we just remove it from the one from the body. So there's one here, one here. There was another one right here. That's all on the rear section. And the front hand was just holding by that bracket that we removed with that single bone in between. The two parts. We removed the heat shield. It's already been unscrewed.
Okay.
Okay, so there's different fastener for holding the heat shield. This is no big deal. You can figure it out. That's an easy task. The heat shield, I'm going to show you. Okay, that's the heat shield. A big piece of aluminum that goes, if you look from underneath the car, it looks like that. As it says, to protect the heat from entering the habitat, the cabin and the car. Okay, so we make line up mark for the drive shaft. And then we remove the screw on the disc right there to remove the disc all at once. There's 3 screws. This is the drive shaft removal. We keep going with that. Again, a bit crowdy. 2 screw done. We're using an impact wrench, and we're using a key to hold the other side of the flange, the rubber disc. So this was a bit of a headache. So what we did, since we don't have to be superhero, we jack one side, remove the parking brake, turn lightly the wheel until the screw align in a better way. So now all 3 screws been removed. We're gonna move after that to the bearing support, both flange. That should allow us to take out the drive shaft gently. Because on the rear, it's not really. Let me show you. It's a bit of a different setup. It's we think it's slided there, so time will tell. Use this hole there to set tie wrap to support the drive shaft, because the rear hand is a bit tricky to remove and there's no need for that. So we support it right behind the support bearing, and there are wood blocks holding the front hand, so it's not giving any stress in the middle of the joint.